What's up everybody, it's Sean here, back today to give you guys a review of the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro in the Blue Fury colorway. This shoe has been trickling into skate shops throughout the first half of 2020. They retailed for $100 or $135 here in Canada, and the official colorway for this shoe is Blue Fury and Deep Royal. Though not technically supposed to be a limited release because of how hyped dunks have been in 2020, this pair of course was not an easy cop. And with this really bold colorway, it seemed like people really love this pair. So this is your classic Nike SB Dunk Low Pro silhouette. This is constructed out of nubuck, which is done in this Blue Fury color, which sort of has a tint of turquoise. Surrounding the outer edge of the toe box, this is constructed out of suede, and it runs up where the eyelets of the sneaker are found as well. On the mid panels of both sides of the shoe, again this is constructed out of nubuck, and then overlaid on top, we have this navy blue colored swoosh, but in person, when contrasted against this Blue Fury color, it actually looks more like a purple. We have more of that suede covering the back heel of the shoe, and then we have this hit of silver patent leather at the very top with Nike branding embroidered in this deep blue color. For the laces, these come with their standard oval shaped laces done in this Blue Fury color, and a nice added touch is they've covered the lace tips with this silver finish. They also give you a secondary pair of royal blue colored laces as well. Underneath the laces, we have your signature stuffed SB Dunk tongue, and this is constructed out of this Blue Fury colored nylon. And at the top of the tongue, we have this nylon tag which has Nike SB branding on it. The interior of the shoe is lined in this Blue Fury colored nylon, which gives it a very soft and silky feel. And you'll see that on the back heel, because this is a pro model, we do have additional padding that hugs the back Achilles area. Taking out the insoles, these come with a Blue Fury colored insole with Zoom Air and Nike SB branding on the heel in white. And if you flip the insole over to the other side, of course, this wouldn't be an SB Dunk if it didn't have a Zoom Air unit underneath the heel for cushioning and impact protection. The upper of these SB Dunks sits atop this all white colored midsole, which gives this shoe a much needed break compared to all the blue on the upper. And then turning this pair over to the bottom, here we have your standard SB Dunk Low Pro outsole. However, in this case, this is done in this translucent finish, but we still have this circular traction pattern on the forefoot and this hit of foam in the middle with Nike SB branding. For sizing, these fit pretty much the same to me as all my other SB Dunk Lows, so I personally would recommend going up a half size. If you want like a really snug fit, then you might be able to get away with true to size, but I prefer the toe breathing room that going up a half size provides. So for reference sake, I'm a true size 10, I got these in a 10.5 and they fit me great. Moving on, in terms of the comfort on this pair, so SB Dunks this pair included aren't going to be the softest shoe on the market. However, they're good in the sense that you feel very stable, very secure, and quite low to the ground, which makes sense because this technically is a skateboarding sneaker. Still, despite the fact that there is Zoom Air underneath the heel, you really can't feel that all too much, and it's a pretty firm feeling shoe on feet. Finally, touching really quickly about the quality and craftsmanship, this is the one area of this shoe that I was a little bit disappointed in. But if you guys shared the same issues, let me know down below. So first off, the quality of the materials felt pretty basic, but that's kind of expected given the low price point on this pair. Still, my biggest issue was with the craftsmanship. So throughout the shoe, all over the suede, there was glue stains, and I know you can't really see it on camera, but on this area right here, for example, it feels like it's covered in this crusty dry glue. In addition to that, I had extra pieces of the midsole that I could peel off, which is something I've actually never seen before on any of my Nike shoes. So I'm pretty sure this wasn't an issue across the board. It was probably just my pair, but still, it was concerning nonetheless. With all that said now, let's lace up these Blue Fury SB Dunk Lows, and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. This pair is definitely one of the most eye-catching and most unique colorways of the SB Dunk Lows to release here in 2020. To me, it kind of reminds me almost like a Charlotte Hornets colorway, and with all things considered, overall I'd say that it's not bad. Is this going to be one of my favorite dunks of the year? Definitely not, but it's one of those pairs you can really wear and turn a lot of heads. If I could change one thing aside from the quality, it would probably be this translucent outsole, because let's face it, this is definitely going to be turning yellow eventually down the road. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this Blue Fury SB Dunk Low Pro. How do you guys feel about this colorway, and is this a pair that you've picked up this year? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at sgo8, check out my Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in my next review.